Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Can you see that? On the last video, I tell you I'm rich. I have golden glasses. I have golden glasses for gold. The golden one is for the king, and the silver one is for the queen, right? Remember? So now I will show you my new room. So this is my old room. I will show you. And here's the new room. Look, the piece of ham. Auntie, eat that. Now, here is my old room. Here is my old room, and I already show you my old room. Now, here I will show you the living room. Here is my grandma, and here she's playing TV. Okay. This is my old room, and this is my new room. You want to see it? Okay. In 3, 2, 1. I will show you first. And 3, 2. One until 0. 0. Here is my bed. This is my bed, and here is my pet monkey, and fan, aircon, and a CCTV. He's spying. New learning. Okay.